Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for a control console on your stove. The reason why you would have to do this is because the screw is damaged, missing, or broken. For this repair, we'll be using a short Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So this right here is our control console, and underneath we've got two screws that hold it on the front here. We have one screw over here that's missing though, and that's causing the control console to feel a bit loose. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're going to be using a short Phillips head screwdriver to put it back in. And all we have to do is just line it up in the hole there and screw it in until it's nice and tight. There we go. Most people are shocked when they find out how bad an electrician I am. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.